Example number 3.2 of NCERT. Now the question is, the position of an object moving along x-axis is given by. So here x is representing the position, that is a plus bt square. Now the value of a is 8.5 meter and the value of b is 2.5 meter per second square. ए एंड बी आर कांस्टेंट. ए और बी बेटा दोनों ही क्या है, कांस्टेंट है. कैसे? क्योंकि इनकी वैल्यू फिक्स है. एंड टी इज मेजर्ड इन सेकेंड. what is the velocity at t equal to 0 second? So we have to find instantaneous velocity at t equal to 0 second and t equal to 2 second. Now you can see beta, the formula for instantaneous velocity is dx upon dt. Now put the value of x here. The value of x is a plus bt square. Okay. Now beta, open the bracket, d by dt into a plus differentiation of bt square, but b is a constant, so take it out from the d by dt and write here t square. Differentiation of any constant term is 0 plus b and power of t is 2. So what is the rule? जो भी power होगा उसको आपको as a कोफिशिएंट लिखना है और फिर पावर में से 1 को माइनस करना है. ये रूल है ना बेटा आपका, डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स की पावर एन. जिनको डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं आता वो देख लीजिए, पावर आपकी एज अ कोफिशिएंट आएगी और फिर पावर में से आप 1 को माइनस करेंगे. आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस रूल अगेन एंड अगेन ताकि जिनको नहीं आता डिफरेंशिएशन वो इसको सॉल्व कर पाए. रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला, 2bt 2 minus 1 is 1. Now velocity at t equal to 0 second. So velocity is 2b into 0, that will be 0 meter per second. And beta at t equal to, what is the next time? 2 second. So what is the velocity at 2 second? 2bt. What is the value of b? That is 2.5. What is the value of t? 2 second. Now 2 into 2.5 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10.
10.
So it is 10 meter per second. Now in the same question there is one more part. What is the average velocity between t equal to 2 second and t equal to 4 second? So you have to find out the average velocity between time t1 is 2 second and time t2 is 4 second. Okay. Now the formula for average velocity is x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. But what is the meaning of x2? x2 is the position, x2 is the displacement or position at time t2, and x1 is the position or displacement at time t1. Is it clear? Now beta, what is the value of x? The value of x is a plus bt square. बट हमें पता है जो हम x2 बोल रहे हैं वो किस टाइम पे है, t2 टाइम पे. तो एट द प्लेस ऑफ t वी राइट हियर t2. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now minus a plus bt square, again we put the value of x, but now the value of t is t1 divided by t2 minus t1. Now we solve it. Just open the bracket, a plus b t2 square minus a minus b t1 square divided by t2 minus t1. Now a cancel out a, it is b t2 square minus t1 square divided by t2 minus t1. Now you can put the value here or you can use the identity t2 minus t1, t2 plus t1, t2 minus t1. Now cancel out. Now beta, what is the value of b? The value of b is 2.5 and t2 plus t1 is your 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. 15.0 meter per second is the average velocity. Tell me, is there any doubt? Any
No, sir.
student? Okay. The distance x of a particle moving in one dimension under the action of constant force is related to time t by the equation t equal to under root x plus 3. So this is the relation between time and displacement. Here x is in meter and t is in second. Find the displacement. Find the displacement of the particle. Find the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. When its velocity is 0. Now better listen. This is the relation between time and displacement. And we have to find out the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. So from this equation, first we find out the velocity. तो वेलोसिटी निकालने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, रूट एक्स इज इक्वल टू टी माइनस 3. वी सेपरेट द वेरिएबल्स. नाउ स्क्वायर बोथ साइड्स. Square both sides, we get root x square equal to t minus 3 का whole square. It will be x equal to t square plus 9 minus 2 3 is 6. 2 into 3 into t. ठीक है बेटा, यूज की हमने यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी a minus b whole square. Now x is equal to t square plus 9 minus 6t. This is the equation for displacement. But what we want to find out? We want to find out velocity. So for velocity, what should we do beta to find out the velocity? क्या करना चाहिए हमें यहाँ पे?
Differentiation.
Yes बेटा, differentiate both sides. b oblique s का मतलब है बेटा both side. ठीक है. Now differentiation करेंगे dx upon dt equal to d by dt of t square plus d by dt of 9 and minus d by dt of t. Dx by dt is velocity. It is 2t. 2 minus 1 is 1. Differentiation of constant is 0. dt by dt is 1. So v is equal to 2t minus 6. बट हमें क्या करना है, वेलोसिटी डिस्प्लेसमेंट फाइंड करनी है जब वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी, 0 होगी. सो वेलोसिटी इज 0 अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. Now we put the value here, 0 equal to 2t minus 6. What is the value of t?
3 seconds.
3 सेकेंड. अब 3 सेकेंड पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितनी है वो कैलकुलेट करेंगे. उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे ये वाली इक्वेशन. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट एट t इक्वल टू 3 सेकेंड, x इक्वल टू टी स्क्वायर, t के प्लेस पर आप रखोगे 3 प्लस 9 माइनस 6 इंटू 3. इट इज 9 प्लस 9 माइनस 6 3 इंटू 3 कितना होगा बेटा, 18. सो 18 माइनस 18 कितना हो जाएगा,
0.
0. So displacement
0.
will be 0. Okay. So at 3 seconds the velocity displacement of the particle is 0.